Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Messenger keeps stopping problem in Messenger application. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in Messenger application. Go to Apps Info, click on Storage, again click on Clear Data, tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 2. Open Play Store, go to search Messenger application, update your Messenger application latest version. Step 3. Restart your device and again open it. Step 4. Again open your Messenger application. You can follow all of the steps to fix Messenger keeps stopping problem in Messenger application. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.